Hello friends, welcome back to this series. On the last video we have we have understand the device collection and user collection, and we have created two kinds of collection. One is static and dynamic, and we can call direct or query based, right? That we have done on the last video, but in this video now we will learn the application and application deployment, application package deployment, right? So this is the point we will to now. So for that, let's go to the SCCM server. Here we have done last all these things, created collection, all these things, right? And it has been discovered also, not an issue for that. For the application deployment, go to the administration, not admin, sorry, go to the software library. Here the application management option is there, and if you go to here there is application, right? So let me tell you, before deployment of application I will tell you some things. See, whenever we deploy application, the application should be a content, right? So that should be placed in somewhere, right? So what I did, and one more thing, we can deploy the exe and the MSI. So MSI is the best way in our best. I can recommend that the MSI is the best, format to deploy it. Exe also not bad, but I can recommend it that MSI is the best format to deploy it. Okay. Uh, let's go. Then see, I have created one folder. Its name is deployment, where I can kept the software. Okay, I can rename it software to application. Okay, correct, correct. Okay, in this application I have kept 7-zip and WinRAR. There is 64-bit and 64-bit and 32-bit. Let me check the my client machines are whether 62 or 32-bit. So for that you have to right click the computer, go to the properties, and here you get to know that yes, it's a 64-bit operating system. So let's go to the SCCM server, and we have done it, but make sure that the content should be, the folder should be set, and it should be give the permission, proper permission. Yeah, no, I am not set this folder, so let's say this folder and go to the permission and put full control to everyone. Okay, make sure this should be done proper. Okay, and security also, take edit everyone, full control, correct? That is NTFS permission. Now it's done. So now it's time to go to the console. Here we need to create the application. So for that, what we will do, you need to right click here and create the application, or import application is something you already created and imported, but we need to create the application here. So right click and create application. Oh, it's taking time. I'm sorry for the slow connectivity, but yes, uh, don't worry. Yeah, we need to wait for some time. Why it's taking so time? So login with client 2 till that time. Okay, go to the SCCM server. Yes, yeah, not required. It's application, no? So here, when I right click and just create, so if you look at over here, the type of application MSI, and that a lot of options are there, but I told you that it is better to, I can recommend it also MSI file to deploy. So we can give the path over here. For that, go to the browse, and we have located in the C drive, and the folder name is deployment and the application, and the 7G for the 64 bit. Okay. See, if you choose this also, it's showing it's not a correct. It's getting the error mark, right? Specify the valid UNC path, right? You have to be provide the network path like this. It given the example also. For that, what you will do, go to the browse button. Here you can type to get the easiest way to the UNC path. For that, this one, and type the server name SCCM 01. Oh, I'm sorry, this one, right? SCCM hyphen 01. Then press enter. You will get all the share folder, but yeah, a deployment folder. Is then go to the application and click. See, you now the UNC path it's given. I given. So it's I'm not getting any error also here, right? So here another option is that the manual specify the application informations, right? But for this time it is not required for me, so I do the next, and it is asking to publish this file could not be verified. Are you sure that you want to be import this file? Yes, because we know that this MS file and we verified, right? So do the next, and here it is the giving the edition of the file name, and you can comments like the earlier video also I told you change request, so people can understand by your comment. Okay, so you can give the change request number um, 123 and requested by uh, ACCOUNT account department and Amar. Okay, so and publisher, you can software give the version, all these things. Okay, and the installation program, see it's already defined, automatically defined this format and given the path. Okay, so here the installation behavior is there. So install for user, instead of system, install the system if resources is device, otherwise install to user. If device is not available, install to user, right? So here go to the next and next. It required few minutes, depends upon your speed or the applications. Okay. uh, yeah. So once the application we have created, then the first step you should remember always, we cannot deploy the application after creation of application, because first we need to distribute then deploy. Remember, first we need to distribute then deploy. We cannot deploy directly once create the application, right? Remember this point always. Okay. I think it will take some time because I told you that it's depend upon the application and the speed of your machine. Uh, yes, but it's a very small application. Still, it is taking the time. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but yeah, it's a successful completed. Now we can close it, right? If you look at here, it's showing 0, but if you refresh, it will, yeah, okay. Yeah, go to the deployment type. Yeah, it's came deployment time. It's not still deployment. Go to the deployments. Nothing is there. See, it's still it is not deployed, right? So I told you we cannot deploy directly. To deploy the application, first we need to distribute the content. Okay, let's for this understanding, let's go to the administration here. Uh, Distribution, no, distribution point, no, sorry. Go to the monitor. Okay, here you can go to the distribution status. Go to the content status. See, if you look at, we have created the application, but it is application there, but there is no target. It's a zero. So that means it is not distributed, right? So once we start the distributed, then it will come here, right? So for that, let's go to the administrator whether we have proper configuration or not. So we have to go to the site. This is our site, right? Let's check the system roles. Already told you in this way you can see the what are the roles has been installed. If you go to the distribution point, see, remember one thing: whenever you distribute something, remember your mind, like your boundary should be add a boundary or boundary group should be boundary group should be added in the distribution point. So you right click and go to the properties. Check whether the boundary group is added or not. Okay, properties. Here the multicast, no, this is not content. Uh, yeah, deployment package confused manager is a client, but it's not required. Yeah, boundary group. Yeah, and the boundary group has been added. So this is the important thing you should be remember when you deploy, when you distribute. Okay, if you not add this boundary group, then it cannot be deployed, right? So you remember this thing. It should be okay, and do the cancel. And now what we will do, where we a software library, right? So we have created the application, right? Now we will create the content, right? Okay, go to the distribution content. Here do the next. Okay, and this is the application content, correct? And to the next. Here you need to specify the content destination. So here you need to know where content should be distributed, distribution point, right? So here you need to add the distribution point. Let's detect automatically. If more than one's distribution point is there, then it will show you in this window. You can choose as per your requirement, as per your the physical locations to you deploy. So let's wait for some time. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, and it's very late, to retrieving the data from the SCCM console. It's still loading. We have to wait for some time, guys. Yeah, I don't know why it is very slow. Uh, yeah. Uh, Still it's loading. We need to wait for some time. That's what I told. Yeah, it's came unpermission premises. Yeah, this is my distribution point. Press OK and do the next, and the summary. What we did, that is giving, and here it will start the progress. Then again it will take some time. Yeah, it's done, right? Okay, so now distribution is done. So let's go to the monitor, and we have seen that it was targeted as 0, right? In contents, let's see, your targeted is 1. Now see, it's showing also in progress. If you do the refresh, it should be success. Okay, still it is in progress. Still, yeah, if you look at now, it is success. Okay, so you understand, right? So let's go to the again software library, and this is the application we want to deploy. Right now, time to deploy. You can right click or deploy, or you can deploy directly. Okay, So let's choose this option from here. um, I don't know. Still it is taking time. We need to wait here. There is no option, right? I don't know why it is taking so much time. Okay, yeah. Here we need to choose the collection. This is the software name, I mean application name, and now we are going to deploy. So we have to choose the collection. Uh, this is the user collection, so you should to choose device collection. And here we have created two collection. One is static and dynamic collection. You can choose this one, not an issue. Okay, and here automatically distribute content under dependency, and go to the next. Here this is the distribution point, and additional distribution point groups and distribution point groups that are currently associated with content. So in my case it is not required for me. That's what I don't have additional distribution point or distribution content to add over here. So I click the next. See, this is very important option, whether this application you use for install or uninstall. Hence you have to be choose, of course this is install, so you choose here install, right? And the purpose, it can be available or required. See, available means what? The content will be downloaded and it will be available in the software, in the software center of the client. It cannot be installed, but if you do the required, it automatically install, right? When you choose the required, there are three options is came, right? In this case it is not required for me, so I can to the next. Okay, you can here do the schedule as soon as possible. I am doing okay now, as of now. Okay, then next. Or you can this is the user action, display the software center, and so all the notifications display the software center and only show the notification. Okay, I can select display in software center and show the notification to computer register and do not register directly. Okay, so I can choose this because sometimes the software is required restart. Okay, do the next. And here this section is for the alert. You can define the alert or notifications. This is not required for me. And take the next, I mean click the next. Here is the summary what we did, and the next. Oh, it's taking some time guys, as you know, but still yeah, it's completed. Yeah, yeah, we are very lucky now, and right. So if you check it and the deployment status now, see it's came, right? So if you go to the monitoring here and the deployment, you will get to, yeah, see this collection is required to install and it is success. Content status success, but complete statistics is zero still, right? Not an issue. Deployment type, you can see over here also deployment type, but it's okay. Okay, and you can refresh it. Yeah, so we have done this thing deployment also, and now we have to be check, go to the client system, and we need to check whether see there are two things can you can know that whether the application is came or not. Might be you will get the notification here, or you can check from the software center. I mean here also you can check all program, and here also you can check. Okay, but and we can do one thing, if it is not coming we can do the forcefully also we can bring. For that you have to go to the control panel, control. Okay, And here the system manager is there. In the system manager, go to the actions. There are the variety actions are there. You can tab the policy machines you can run now. So it will okay, and you can do this application deployment evaluation cycle also. Okay, and press the OK. Okay, let's see whether any notification we have received, or here also anything is coming. Yeah, see if you look at now we have received the applications and will be installed post you. Okay, so if you I told you that we have to the required, so here post you will be installed. Okay, and the second machine also we can go and check whether it's came or not. Yeah, see this, if you see this notification, I think came. No, it's a different notification. Not an issue. We have to go the here and system center. Let's see, it is came here or not also. Yeah, we need to wait. Okay, not an issue. We can install the application also here. Just click it. Okay, install at the selected. It will start the installation. Oh, it's installed. Status is installed. I told you with the required, no, so it automatically. So for that, how we can check that? Go to the add and remove program app wichat.cpl. Remember this, it will help you out. Okay, if you look at it is installed, right? Okay, and the same thing we will check in the same machine here. So for that same thing you need to do like go to the control, and for the forcefully to getting these things you have to be initiate the action, that is machine policy. Press OK and application deployment. Okay, so now definitely it should come. We need to wait for one moment, I mean few yep, it should. Yeah, yeah, that's came right, and it will install also, not an issue. We need to wait for so few times, but it's very small application, right? So yeah, it's writing to being installing and it will install. Okay, see, because we choose the required, right, not the available, so it's automatically installed, right? It's installed successfully. How to get to know that? Go to the control panel, and sorry, I'm not go to the control panel. App.wichat.cpl and remove program, here you will get to know that, right? So it has been successfully installed both clients, right? Now go to the SCCM server. So here we get to know that how to create the application, and how to distribute the content, and how to deploy it. And to deployment things, you have to be go to the monitor here, and the deployment installed. Just refresh it, deployment summary, it will give installation. uh, okay, yeah, it's deployed, no, not an issue. So yeah, it's deployed, installed also, action is installed, right? It's showing, right? So this is what need to is, it should be no, so it's installed, right? So I think you people understand the application and how it deploy, how can distribute the content, and how create the application. So thank you very much to watching this video, and in the next video we will create the package. So I can say no, still it is not completed, right? Only the application we have done, right? Okay, let's hit on complete. So thank you very much, guys. If you really like my video, please give in the comment and the good comments, and a thumbs up me. okay, and on my video, and please subscribe my channel to get new videos on your mailbox. Thank you very much, guys.